Today I will talk about on the topic glimpses of India. Under this section, we are going to talk about a baker from Goa. In this article, you will be reading glimpses of India. This chapter includes three stories. First one is a baker from Goa by Lucio Rodrigues. This is a story about a baker and it relates to the old Portuguese days. The second one is Cork by Locas Abrol. It is a story about a Cork, a place in Karnataka. The author describes the weather, environment, people, wildlife, and the landscape of Cork in this story. The last one is a tea from Assam by Arup Kumar Dutt. This story is about two friends exploring the tea gardens of Assam and also learning the legend behind it. A baker from Goa is a story that relates to the time when there was Portuguese rule in Goa. The story is a baker living in a Goan village. During those times, people ate loaves of bread. These were made in big furnaces. The bakers, known as pedas, would come to sell these bread in the street and would make a jingle sound with a bamboo. Although nowadays we may not see these loaves, but many sometimes see the furnaces and some bakers carrying on the traditional business of their forefathers. The author remembers the coming of the baker twice a day during his childhood days. He was the author's friend and guide. The maid servants in the author's house would buy loaves of bread, which they ate with tea. During those days, bread was an important part of an occasion, especially the sweet bread bowl. Also, the baker had a peculiar dress, kabai. It was a single piece frock that would reach up to the knees. Baking was a profitable business at that time. Korg is a story describing the Korg of Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka. The author describes Korg as a heavenly place that lies between Mangalore and Mysore. It is certainly God's abode, as it has evergreen forest, spices and coffee plantations from September to March. The weather is good here and thus many tourists come to visit the place. The air here has the coffee aroma in it. There is a famous story about the Greek or Arabic descent of the Cork people that a part of Alexander's army had to settle here as it was not possible for them to return. They thus settled here and married with the locals. We may find people of Cork wear kupiya, a long black coat similar to kufiya that Arabs wear. People of Cork are also very brave. The Cork Regiment of Indian Army is one of the most significant regiments. Also, our first Army Chief General Karyappa hails from Cork. The forest and hills of Cork provide a major source of water to the river Kaveri. Also, Mahasir, the largest freshwater fish, is found in these waters. From the top of the Brahmagiri hills, we can see the complete view of Cork. Also, Buddhist monks live in Bailakupi in the island of Nisarga Dham near Cork. The last story, Tea from the Assam, starts with two friends, Rajveer and Franzal, traveling to Assam. On their way, they buy the tea from a roadside vendor. While sipping the tea, Rajveer tells Franzal that people drink over 80 crore cups of tea throughout the world in a day. While Rajveer is looking at the beautiful and serene scenery, Franzal is busy reading detective book. There were tea bushes all over as far as one could see. They also saw a building which was a tea garden. Assam has the largest tea plantations, and no one knows who discovered the tea for the first time. But there are many legends associated with it. According to a Chinese legend, a few branches of tea fell accidentally in the boiled hot water. The emperor liked the delicious flavor. This is how it came into being. As per an Indian legend, Buddhist monks Bodhidharma cut off his eyelids as to avoid sleep during meditation. About 10 tea plants grew out of these, and thus they banished sleep when put it in hot water and drunk. Both of them got down at Marini Junction and went to Dhikai Bari tea estate. There they saw women plucking tea leaves. Pranjal's father had come to receive them there and said that he knew a lot about tea plantation. Rajbir says that he is keen to learn from him. Students are advised to enter summary and do NCERT question on the topic. Thank you.